Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session we'll be covering the exact formula. The exact formula in Excel can check whether two strings or pieces of text match. So here we've got some words, some numbers, some blank cells written in different ways via formulas. So I'm just going to show that here. So if I click show formulas, we can see where there are formulas to show empty cells. So this is going to be important, so I'm going to unhide that again. And this is what the exact formula looks like. It's just got two parameters, your first piece of text and your second piece of text, which is the same as if you did equals your cell number equals the other cell you want to compare it to, and we'll show you both of those now. So we have our string 1, and we're going to type in the exact formula. We're going to select string 1 first, do a comma, select string 2 and hit enter. Now string 1 and string 2 don't match each other, so it returns false. But if we drag it down onto hello and hello, they're exactly identical and the same, so it returns true. If I drag this all the way down, we get some falses. So we see lowercase yellow with a capitalized Y in yellow. So obviously these are technically the same, but it is case sensitive. So it's like your password, where if you put capital A, it's capital A. If you put lowercase a instead, it's not going to work. Then you have yellow with a space in it compared to just yellow normally, and that doesn't match, so it returns false. Now 0 and a formula of an empty cell, they don't match because 0 is a value, so that returns false. Then we've got an empty cell and an empty cell, and that returns true. 200 and 989 aren't the same, so that's false. The word 1 and the number 1 don't match, so that's a false result. And we have the number 44 and the number 44, and that returns a true result. Now I did mention earlier there is another way to do this. If you do equals string 1 equals string 2 and hit enter, and we drag this down, we notice we get a similar sort of pattern of results. So equals and choosing the two cells like we did here, this is not case sensitive. So we have it matching on the exact formula, and then just if I do equals equals, so it shows what we're talking about here. So we're comparing two values. So I'm just going to put value 1, value 2. So we see string 1 and string 2, yep, they don't match. Hello and hello matches. Yellow and yellow matches on this one because it's not case sensitive like the exact formula. 0 and an empty cell via a formula is both false still. Still true for the empty cell and a formula presenting as an empty cell. The two numbers obviously don't match, so they remain false. Then we have 1 and 1, which remain false as well. And then we have the two 44s, which are identical and are true. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.